what we are witnessing here is early spring carp spawn. It's just amazing how many of these things are out in this little cove. They're from where I'm standing all the way over to the other side, really tearing up the water. I wish you could hear the noise they're making better. But what we have here is a male carp chasing a female carp, trying to entice her into laying her eggs. And once she lays those eggs, then he will release his milt, as it is known, into the water and fertilize those eggs. Now that female's eggs, you can see that crowd she's going through, are going to be fertilized by several different males. I read that up to 7 males could fertilize the eggs of one female. So that's a pretty interesting little fact there. But I've never eaten one of these carp. I've thought about it before. I've been told that if you catch one out of clean water, then it's a good eating fish. So one time a friend of mine and I caught one out of what we consider to be a good clean stream, took it home, cleaned it, and we decided against that in a hurry. The flesh of this fish is a real gold color, and I'm sort of a white fish kind of guy myself. And down the side of that fish was such a dark colored blood lateral stripe that it was you'd almost call it red black, and it was just, to me, it was just gross. And so we didn't, neither one of us wanted to even try it. So I mean, that's going to be up to somebody else if they want to try to eat one of these things, but I'm not going to have anything to do with it. But anyway, here I am on my little hike and lure forage, and just thought I would take a few shots of this. I wish you could hear the splashing better. I didn't take my phone out of its case, which I should have. But it's really kind of amazing. So I just thought I would share this little tidbit with the folks that watch my channel. So let me get on with the hike and let these carp get on with their spawning, and we'll catch everybody later. Hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.